Up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, my TGME has destroyed, SABC News and the likes of ENCA Newsroom Africa, because what happened yesterday is that is Nkabinde, the chief of staff to the police minister, as he was giving evidence, he received a text message from Paul O'Sullivan whereby he was being threatened, and Paul O'Sullivan was threatening him, for what he was saying about him, and he was saying you're going to suffer in prison, etc. But somehow the media did not cover that incident that occurred. They did not even seek Paul O'Sullivan to get clarification for him. They did not even go to Nkabinde to say, are you really sure about what you said about Paul O'Sullivan? But somehow, there is this issue of Brown Mahotsi and that red car Corolla incident that occurred. So Brown Mahotsi received serious coverage, So when you look at these issues and try to analyze them, it's kind of surprising. Ken Kunene rushed from ENCA, Newsroom Africa, SABC, they entertained that guy. But it seems when there are serious issues, they do not interview those people. Even that bodyguard of Shadrach Sibia, he was interviewed. They gave him an opportunity. So because of these inconsistencies, that's why guys like Mighty Shemi are questioning the likes of SABC and be like, what's going on with you guys? I'll catch you guys on the next one.